Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And just not too long ago, April 8th, from Instagram, contacted me and said she saw on my channel that I wanted a smart doll in tea that she had. And would I be interested? So we talked about it, and I ended up buying the doll, and I am unboxing her. I'm very excited for her to come. This is one of those dolls that I don't have anything to cover that with. Use my hand. One of these dolls that I really wanted, and I just bought other dolls instead of. You know how these, I say it all the time, these are not $89 dolls, and you should stop and think before you buy them. And so I just hadn't bought her. And now I have the opportunity. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is very cool. That is her stand. Look at this. The original papers and a pair of CJ or Culture Japan high heels. Oh, I love those. Ooh, that's so cool. And some underwears, panties, pair of shorts. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at that. Somebody made these. Oh, I love this. Look at that. With that purple hair. Woohoo. And her original papers. Very cool. Very cool. Let me put this to the side very carefully. I want to keep all that together. And Lisa, you're not supposed to be up here. No. Lisa. I got, oh, and then she crashed into, on her way down, she hit a couple tubs and knocked them over. This is Athena, but it's an older Athena with purple hair, but not the same haircut, which I was really excited about. I'm thrilled. I am just thrilled. Now let me make sure I got everything. And thank you for all the bubble wrap because I reuse it. I reuse it. Okay, she does not have the clicking. I don't know who knitted this stuff. Oh, okay. This is from Culture Japan. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, isn't she lovely? Oh, look at her face. She's in tea, exactly what I wanted. I don't know if this is a Culture Japan wig or not. And quite honestly, I don't care. She looks cute, 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 cute. Oh, I'm thrilled. Oh, I'm really, really, really thrilled. Her legs are good and tight and right. Her arms are very nice. She's just, oh gosh, she's so cute. Thank you, April. I am just, I was so excited when this box came. And we have been so busy. And she came, what, Saturday, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think it was Saturday. And we had so much going on. Today is Sunday, and we are in the middle of something. And I said, you know, I really want to film that smart doll. Darren said, okay. So here we are. Oh, she's adorable. I love her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I came in to put her on her stand. I pulled up their little sweater dress, and she has a pair of cutoffs underneath. How cute is that?